Are you tired of having corny photos? Are you tired of struggling to take those fire pictures? Are you tired? I'm tired of it too. Hi guys, welcome back to Shar TV. If you see me in the same shirt in 2 videos, mind your business. Anyway, I'm glad that you guys came back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some really cool things, but before I do, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video because I'm about to put y'all onto the game real quick. I'm going to be showing you guys today how I take my pop-in pictures for Instagram, okay? You will see how you would like. So first and foremost, I just want to give you guys a couple of tips before you even get started. I think that you should create a checklist. Now, a checklist should be there so you're not all over the place. Like, I've had this happen to me, so I'm just letting you know that this will probably happen to you. And you might expect something and it's not going to turn out how you think it will. So the checklist should be like, okay, I'm going to do this first, then I'm going to do this, then I'm going to make sure I have this, because then you'll be running all over the place, and then you'll get into photo position and realize you have nothing. The first thing you should do is to get your outfits together. Figure out what it is that you want to wear, what theme you're going for, what background, things like that. Get those things together. Also get your equipment, whether it's your iPhone, your tripod, your lighting, get all of that junk together. Now, I don't suggest you go run and do your makeup, then come out and try to fix up your space. I think you should fix up your space first, and then you do your makeup and your hair, so when you come back, you're just ready to shoot, you feel me? Because then you're going to be hot, sweaty, musty, and all that. Who wanted to do a photo shoot after that? Nah. Okay, so those are just some tips. Now I'm going to show you guys a video of my lighting and my setup. This is how I set it up.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I have 3 lights. I have one on the left, one on the right, and one smack dead in the middle operating as my ring light. I do not have one, but you know, sis gotta use what she got, okay? I'm also shooting on my Canon 5D Mark IV with my 50mm lens. I'm gonna place my other camera behind where I just pointed, and it's gonna show you guys real life footage on how I take my photos. The setup is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, like, you put some lights, you test it out, you see if it works. I'm trying to put this in like kindergarten terms, but I hope I'm doing a great job. And I'm also working with sunlight and regular light. Some of you may just be working with sunlight, so you kind of just have to go with the flow. So this is a setup. Also, I forgot to mention that I do have snackies available by my bedside because sis always is thirsty and nauseous, so that's why I got the Mentos over there. So mind your business, but yeah, have them snacks because yeah, it could get rough.
This is my setup. Now, your setup may be completely different. You may not have a Canon camera or a camera in general. You might just be using your iPhone, but I'll have you know, iPhones do the job. I'm going to insert a picture right here, wherever the screen is, whatever. I'm going to insert a picture of a photo that I took on my screen page with my iPhone 7. It wasn't even an iPhone 10, 11, 12, or whatever they have out now. It was iPhone 7. I just used lighting, and I used shoe boxes to stack up until it was the perfect height, and I just placed my iPhone right there, put the timer on, and I took a popping picture. So you don't need all this equipment. So I suggest that you just do what works for you. If you want me to do a video on how I shoot probably with my iPhone, make sure you like and you drop it a comment down below. Another thing I would say is if you're not using lighting, like lighting you can control, and you're using lighting from the sun, make sure that you get up and do your junk early, because there have been times when I was just dependent on sunlight to record my videos back in the day, and I tell you that it was very, very bad when things got dark. So if you're just using outside lighting, make sure that you know, kind of find your flow, whether it's you want to be away from the light, towards the light, you want a shadow in your face, like, you figure that out. But you gotta work with the sun. Okay, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys some more footage on how I take my photos. So another thing, if you have a camera, I have a Canon. I don't know how it works for every other phone, but there's this Canon app on the phone called Canon Connect. My camera has built-in Wi-Fi, so I use that Wi-Fi to connect to this.
So like I said, my camera has built-in Wi-Fi. So what I do is I go to the settings, then I go to communication settings. After that, I go to built-in Wi-Fi, and then it's going to say Wi-Fi function. You click that and it should say connect to smartphone. Since mine is already connected, it's not going to say that. Afterwards, you go to your settings on your phone, and then you connect to the Wi-Fi that is your camera name. After that, you open up the Canon Connect app, and it's going to say remote live view shooting, and voila, you are connected. After that, you just literally press the button and you snap away.
So what I do now is I put my camera on a 2-second timer, or 3, however seconds you want, and I will use my phone. I will press it and I will pose, you know what I mean? And then I will get pictures like this, or this, like this, you know what I mean? So I would just suggest that you download this app. If not, you have a remote or whatever it is, cool. If you're using your iPhone, like I said, make sure that you use the timer on your iPhone. See, the iPhones aren't bad. I don't know if they have it on Samsung, but I'm pretty sure they do. It's 2020. Yeah, so this is basically how I shoot my videos and my pictures actually. So more times I have help, but when I don't have help, this is how I do it, okay? It just takes a lot more work and a lot more effort. It's quarantine time and you need some pop Instagram pictures, so this is what you need to do. Put in the effort to get it done. You hear me? Okay, last but not least, make sure that you're constantly checking your photos. You don't want to do a whole 1,000 picture and then you go back and you don't really like how it look, or you find out that your eyelash was stuck. You gotta go back and check. The beauty about like taking your own photos is that there's no photographer there and he's not on a time with a schedule or whatever. It's just you, your camera, yourself, and your ambition. So with that being said, you just want to go back, check, and make sure that things are out of your face and you don't have a booger coming out your nose, because I mean, if you're not that savvy in Photoshop, it's going to be clipped for you. You hear me? Alright, so that's pretty much it. If you guys want an extended video to this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, you can definitely hit me up on Instagram. You can email me, you can do whatever, and I'll be happy to help you for free 99, because it's really not that hard. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. such a cracky. Bye.